from the Ford Sports Desk, KOMU 8 Sports.
Well, we are now deep into the dog days of August, and the postseason hunt is on for Major League Baseball. The St. Louis Cardinals have an opportunity today to take a series from baseball's best. Cards, they're looking to take the rubber match against the Los Angeles Dodgers. It's a pitching duel early, but Shohei does what Shohei does. Leaves the yard in the fifth with a solo shot, and the Dodgers will add another. They're up 2-0. Cards, they're held scoreless into the eighth, but here is Lars Nootbaar. He says one-score game, and the Cards trail 2-1, but they can't come through. A double play up the middle dashes any late comeback attempts, and the Cards fall 2-1. And a rain delay out in Cincinnati, pushing today's start time back as the Royals look to sweep. Royals, they're raining down the offense early. Vinny Pasquantino singles to right to bring in the game's first score, and the Royals, they leave the third up 2-0. They'll add on in the fifth. It's Darian Blanco, who had 2 home runs yesterday. He gets yet another today, a solo shot to put the Royals up 3-0. And the game will be a close one in the seventh. Bases juice. Luis Urza gets the K, and the Royals, they sweep the Reds 8-1. And the Royals, they currently hold on to the final wild card spot in the AL, and their star, Bobby Witt Jr., has been a monster in 2024. Witt currently leads the MLB in batting average at .350, ahead of Aaron Judge by about 20 points. Which begs the question, could Witt bring home the first batting title in 3 decades for KC? The last Royal to win a league batting title was George Brett in 1990. Brett owns 3 of the 4 franchise batting titles, which all came in different decades. He's the only player in MLB history to do so. So if Witt keeps up the production, he could be the 3rd Royal and first in 34 years to bring a title back to KC on the batting side. Well, Mizzou Fall Sports, they're continuing to return to action this week, and their fans got their first look at Dawn Sullivan's volleyball team today. It's the annual black and gold scrimmage, free for any fans to come and watch. Grad student Kellen Finney, she gets things started here in the first. She gets the kill. Finney entering her second year with Mizzou after transferring from Clemson. St. Louis native Jordan Iliff is back for her senior season. The 2023 SEC All-Teamer got a deep kill there. Junior outside hitter Janet Demarais had a nice showing today. Here's one of her best plays from the scrimmage, and then 6'3" right side Kimani Johnson gets up high for the kill. Mizzou Volleyball gets their season started next week against Omaha. And tonight, more former Tigers take the big stage in the NFL preseason. If you didn't get enough of Cody Schrader and Chris Abrams-Dream last season for the Tigers, well, you can watch them tonight for the 2 teams behind me at 7 p.m. Here's a look at what the drafted Tigers have done so far in the preseason. Cody Schrader has had a handful of carries this year with the 49ers. He's got an opportunity to raise those numbers tonight. And Cardinals head coach Jonathan Gannon has remarked that Robinson could start week 1 for the Cardinals. So a lot of success. And that's sports. We'll be right back, and we'll see you at 10.